What if an AI could think, plan, and execute like a real human? No prompts, no hand-holding, just results. From building entire apps to running businesses, AI agents like AutoGPT, Devin, and ChatGPT-5 are changing everything. Let's dive into the future that's already happening. Hey everyone, welcome back to EduAIverse, where we decode AI, tech, and the future, one powerful idea at a time. Today's topic? The explosive rise of AI agents. Your next co-founder, developer, or digital employee. Let us explore how these autonomous AI tools are going viral and reshaping how we live and work in current era. What are AI agents? Traditional AI tools like ChatGPT respond to your questions, but AI agents go several steps ahead. They think like a human, with memory and planning. Break down complex goals, execute multi-step tasks, automatically learn from results, and try again if they fail. In short, they're like hiring a smart assistant that never sleeps. 2. AutoGPT, the pioneer. AutoGPT was one of the first viral AI agents. Give it a goal, like build a personal website, and it will research tools, generate code, test the website, and even deploy it online. It uses a loop of reasoning plus action plus feedback. In 2023, it blew up on GitHub and X. In 2025, it's being used in startups and smart homes worldwide. 3. Devin, the first AI software engineer. In March 2024, Cognition Labs launched Devin, the world's first fully autonomous software engineer. Devin can write complex code, use a terminal, fix bugs, deploy real apps on Replit, collaborate with humans on GitHub. It even scored job-level tasks on the SWE benchmark, outperforming junior developers. 4. ChatGPT-5 and GPT-4o, multimodal AI brains. OpenAI's ChatGPT-5 and GPT-4o are the brains behind the smartest agents. What makes them special? Multimodal capabilities. They can read, see, hear, speak like humans. Real-time interaction. GPT-4o can talk to you like Siri, but smarter. Tool use. They connect with the internet, code, documents, and external plugins. Now imagine this power inside a self-running agent. That's what's coming. 5. Real-life use cases. AI agents are being used for startups, launching MVPs and handling operations. Research, running entire literature reviews. Marketing, writing blogs, posting on LinkedIn, analyzing data. Education, teaching subjects in personalized ways. Automation, from finance to smart homes. Big companies are using these agents as internal employees. Freelancers use them to 10x productivity. 6. Are AI agents replacing jobs? Not exactly. They're changing how we work. Jobs that require routine thinking, automated, creative, and strategic work, enhanced by AI agents. The future is not AI versus humans. It's AI plus humans. Superpower. 7. Future outlook, 2025-2030. In the next 5 years, AI agents will run entire companies. You'll have a personal CEO, teacher, or engineer in your pocket. Education, medicine, software, business, all changed forever. Those who learn to use them will lead. Those who don't may be left behind. Conclusion. This is just the beginning. AI agents are not science fiction, they're science fact. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, smash that subscribe button and leave a comment. Which AI agent are you most excited to try? Devin, AutoGPT, or ChatGPT-5? Stay curious, stay smart, stay ahead. You're watching EduAIverse, where intelligence meets the future.